Now we need to open Task Manager. So click here to open it. Then select File. Click on Run New Task. Now click here. Then click on this PC. Just scroll down and open C drive. Then open Windows folder. Then open this folder. After that, just scroll down and select CMD file and click on open. Now check this box and then click on open. Now we are going to execute some commands. These commands are really important. You can manually type these commands, or to avoid mistakes you can simply copy and paste these commands from the page I will show you. So open Google Chrome and simply type here google.com. Then in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link from www.hows.tech. On this page, just scroll down and right click on command number 12. Select copy. Then right click here, click on edit and select paste. Then hit enter to execute the command. Now again go back to the page and copy command number 13. Again paste that command on command prompt and hit enter. Once done, type exit and hit enter to close the command prompt. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.